Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Anthony. AP baru kini gilongi khubor bam takasngi. Kasarkar jala la raiban thau ya tax force ban pet bnya ikijing e jungi nongri siar ha ka jala. Shuai kani habakran chikin nong tho khubor dukhot kaseng uba William Dingdo ulong. Baga kinhun kalapan pau ya kajing sngokya halor kajing wan nonggi siar na shabar ka jala. Khabdam naki katu kat ni ki benta bla shakta haki sim declare infected by the day. Habasot iki khubor nagilat pathai khubor uba dingdo ulayathu bakadan kawai kakali. Kabalalap ba kit yakis yar kibawan Haryana, Punjab, kabadeiru kajala balapin na bat yakini kis yar lalab ha kapor bidang sedang barkim shamlasha bandrung shapo kajala. Dagabashim ya kajingmut bangilawan shaka sorkar jala bandawa ya kajingkang shipor ring ngothu ba kajingkang shipor ne kinu kiwei parki kendon kila ban om trekam reka sorkar kala rai ban bu ika kenhun trekam ban petbnya ya kijing ujor ban pentiknaru ba kijing petbnya ki longkar kum ka SOPS ka bakat kum kajing tmu jong ka sorkar pedeng kala pentem kidon ki SOP ki baladan nupa ba ngidan khmi lenti ban pentrekam shu ya kini ki SOP shisin bala pentrekam ya kini ki SOP ba ki nongkit jengkit ki bakit ikis yar kila ban boat ne khamba ban ong bakidang boat karkum ka an Motors Vehicle Act karkum ka jingyadang na ka jing shale ben ni kimrat bar karkum ka jengkit jingba jengkimrat ki kindon kin pentrekam ula benram haba kali uba dingdo ula ong baka kinhun ka sngokemen ya ka jingmi na ka jingyalang hendrei ka kwa ban yo I ba on shimkhya ha ki jaka Kasorkar kan sa thau ka kinhun trekam mador barkat tu kat ni na ki khot jungiru ken nong shibenta jong ka kinhun trekam khna mangina ban penpau ki benta badan jingduna kum ki jingduna ki bayai beteng banwan ha ka jing im man na kasngi bar ngikmi lenti bakanu kanu ka jingduna ka bala banwan ngi dei banna ban penben bar ka sorkar ka dei banna ban penbet shu la
Meeting, very positive. I'm very happy. So they have aired a few grievances like the grievances about fixing the prices. He said that we cannot fix the prices. How will fix the prices? Suppose one farmer are selling within the state only. I'm not talking about now from outside the state. I can will tell you later outside the state also. But now if the farmers are from within the state, if they are selling for 200 rupees per kg, the other farmers from within the state, they are selling at 180 per kg. How I will tell the people to buy for 200 rupees per kg? So this is up to the wish of the people. If you want to buy 200 rupees per kg or they want to buy for 180 per kg, this is up to them. But we cannot be materials. You cannot make the fixing the price. The fixing price is not in our view. Also they have already explained and also given everything to the farmers, poultry farmers association that has happened on 2019-20, not recently. If it has happened recently, definitely if you had come to the notice of the government or notice of the department will not keep quiet. They will take actions outside to the state of Meghalaya. No, now only that suggestion has come. The suggestion has come that is good to constitute the task force. The government only will constitute, the veterinary department will constitute, but they also requested to be co-opted, the one member to be co-opted from the farmer association. I said we are welcome. We co-opted them also to get more suggestion, to get more, whatever the problem that they are facing, they can be bring to the task force.
Kalau perkat ban bo na da district task force and kata ke ban head na ka tnat jong ka animal husbandry and veterinary department ka ban yada yangi na kani klam jing pang ka bala pan wan na shawai pat ka jaga bat ban pen shong sngan yangi kinong ri jingri but yakin ang baham ru yakan di ba dosia ti namar ba kani kalong ka ka badai ka baja shawai Henry bakan wan sani sipo sinong jungi kalong ka ba ngim snow ting but ngi snow skier but ngi pada baka sarkar kala asim khia kani ka jingla ka bakani ka jingka pa ka jungi ti ngatrai kum bakalong hi kani kala long with immediate implementation baka kum ka jingi kan constitute wood kan implement wood ti ngir ni kerpat ni expect baka ni implementation jungkar kan long ka belong immediate but ni kermen ba ngini i ka but ngini i ya ka effect jungka hapo kan ki entry gate ko nila batay ru ba kidan ki ki jaka ki bala bandrung ka namar baka jaka jungi kalong puras ki jaka ki bala bandrung na sipo umkiang ki na sipo jirang na ene lemar balada dan becek nang ni na po pernihat henry ki jaka per kilat lan ti ya kituru kila semkhia bat kin sa pet ke ka bala benle ti nang ni sekmat ngilong ngi kermen bagi baka ong ka sarkar bakan pun long bakan pun long te ka dei na po bernihat henry ki badai sipo ki jakaru ki ba kenthop ya ka jirang ya ka siang ya ka malas nai ti kidon ki list bangila ay na submit to siya ka sarkar ti kala kan examine but lada haba kala menjur bakan kan buat daka task force but ngi kermen ba nang ni sakmat kan long ke ba song ya ka task force kum ba kilong menta ki ong bakan head kan sa notify ka government menta tingin padi ya kan notification mereka notify na menta kan nakaliang ka jong principal secretary ila simkhia kan ti kam ka ba songkhia ti kermen ba ke ba kila menjur bat penlongkam kan sai so kata ke ba shisha henry ki orders per kila don lupa ki barim but ki copies jong ki order kila don lupa ki ba hab bandon ki pat kisla ki certificate of origin kum mengitip ba ki ki barung hi shani kin habban dan ni certificate of origin ki wan na e ka ba certified da ka to ka state da ka department ayu ka ba certified kila test ayu hang to but hang niru ki bawanra ki habban penbut ki kendon jong ka an ko ba fair kum ka motor vehicles act kum ka prevention of cruelty to animals kita ki an kala don lupa ti kala singan lupa ladan ni implement ya kata ngila suthu ba ke bawan rung sangi hi kala long ke ba hut ke ba suba ba ka ba ka ba lat lakini ki ba ngim sultana bani i ba kala long no kum ka ta baki khwa ban pelong kum ka dumping area bakin dump ki birds ki bala bam sko ya ha ban
bab klei lengba ki social media ya ka jingmi jongi sha surok nakabenta ban yada ka bidebat keneka kam ka ba mimenta ki babun na ki state apo ka ri ka jongi kadon keneka bad flu kadeka jingpang clams ya lakum no ki babun hi ki state kila dep ban khang ya ka jingwan rung ki banasha ki we ki jela ya ka jing tmu ka jongi ru hakane ka por ka long ban kerpat saka sarkar bakata ka jingpang kanamuan hapo ka jela ka jongi nang ba ki nongrap jongi kin nom dunong barajur ka por ki nong bam doru kin yo ban bam ya ka do ka ba kisir ki ba khoj ki bompang ki ba khoj ki ba khia ta ka ta ki jing tmu